Hi friends, I am Dr. Kleem from my YouTube channel Health TV with Dr. Kleem. Oftenly I am asked the question about the types of autoclave. So many people knew the sterilization, how sterilization happens, what temperatures are there, everyone knows. But what the types of autoclave and which one is best nowadays, I have to discuss it in detail. So this video is about the types of autoclaves available today and which one is the best. So this video is for you people. So first of all, I will tell you what are the types of the autoclaves. Autoclaves are basically of three types. They are like this. Type N, type S and type B. So we can also say them the B class, S class or N class. So when we are talking of these three types, that N, S and B, so best is the B class, which one is recommended in the dental surgery, and for the other specialties B class is recommended as a tool for sterilization. So if we talk of type N or class N, what is important and what is the meaning of N? In type N, we have used drums which are filled with water and they produce steam under some pressure. But at the end of this sterilization, we get the wet instruments. Number one, the instruments are wet. The second is they are for instant use. Instant use. So whenever we have to use instantly, we can use N class, the drum which are available in market in cheap prices. But actually there are so many questions that you can say that they are not actually good for sterilization. Then comes the S class. In S class type of autoclaves, what we see, there are two chambers. One chamber in which there is a steam and the other chamber in which there are you have placed the instruments. While in N class, the chamber was same, steam and the instrument were placed in the same chamber, while in case of S class, we have two chambers. One chamber which is filled with steam, the other chamber in which we have placed the instruments. And the chamber in which we have placed the instrument, we create first the vacuum. So when we introduce the steam from the steam chamber to the sterilization chamber, the steam can penetrate deep to the instruments. So it is better than N class in which the whole chamber was same. So sterilization was going on in the chamber where the steam was produced. And secondly, the most important thing is, in that chamber there is no mainly penetration of the instruments. And when we are talking of S class, there is some penetration due to the vacuum created in the sterilization chamber. So it is very important that whenever we have to go for sterilization, at least N class type of autoclaves must be in use. But when we are talking of the B class is actually I would say it as the best class. Best mean in B class, we create 3 cycles of vacuum and then 3 times we insert the steam into the in the sterilization chamber. So in this type of autoclave, that is a B class, is the best class for the sterilization process, and autoclaves with name that the B class type of autoclaves, they are actually recommended for dental surgery and for the other surgeries as well. So it is very important, whenever you try to open your clinic, try to purchase B class of autoclaves, but due to its expensiveness, sometimes you are unable to purchase it, so at least try to go for S class. In S class there is a little bit satisfaction, I would say. So if you say it to memorize it, N means normal, S means satisfaction, and B is the best. So all these types of autoclaves which are available in market, you can select for your necessities and for your patients. At least you try to must go for B class autoclaves, which are the best in working. So the most important thing, when we say in the B class, the instrument we get in the end, they are dry, they are no more wet what we are in case of S and N class. They are, when we insert the pouches in there, they come with dryness. They are dry and then cycle is complete. If they are not dry, it means there is something problem in your sterilization process. So wet instruments will not be found in type B class. S class is a simple class, N is a normal class. So this is the important topic where you can have ample knowledge, and now you can discuss it with anywhere else. This information is very rare, and most of our dental surgeons, general surgeons, they don't have this idea of sterilization, types of sterilization. Everyone knows what is heat sterilization, dry heat, what is moisturization, what is chemical, which are chemical uses, everyone knows. But in practice we need the autoclave and type of autoclaves. So this video inshallah will be very fruitful for you, and you can definitely get benefit from it. So please subscribe my channel Health TV Dr. Kaleem, so that you can get my more videos and you can get benefit from them. Hello, Assalamu Alaikum.